Hi everyone, Courtney again. For those of you that haven't met me, I'm a product manager currently working in the UK Civil Service, and I've been making these videos to demonstrate the side project I've been working on called Prompt to Page. I'm making this video today so that I can demonstrate the US Web Design Service pack that ships with the project. So yeah, I'm gonna create prototype based on the scenario, which is apply for a federal business disaster loan. It's going to be a classic multi-step federal journey with clear link points between pages, and I'm doing this so I can demonstrate both the web design system as well as the core functionality of the project. This is prompt page. Once I clicked into the app, the local AI is now ready to start generating pages. So I'm gonna paste in some prompts that I've prepared earlier. Wait, hang on a sec. Before I start, I'm in the gov.uk design system, which is the system's default. I'm gonna create a new project, select the US web design system, and give the project a name. Yes, and then now I'm ready to run my prompt. So I'm going to click enter here. And as you see, it starts generating. Depending on the complexity of the page, the performance of your system, and the model you've selected, this generation can take anywhere from 12 to, depending if you've got like a really slow machine, maybe up to like 2 minutes. But overall, you'll see as I generate a series of pages, it can really speed up the process of creating clickable prototypes that you can test with users. So yeah, there you go. This is the first page, and that is all looking fine. Up here, I'm going to click on this arrow. You can also click on this icon as well, and it brings up the add page functionality. So I'm going to click add new page, name this page 2, and I will paste in my second prompt, which will be for eligibility questions. Right, and off we go. And then once I've finished creating all these pages, I'll go back and then I'll show you a bit more of the functionality, which will include linking pages and editing sections. So yeah, give it a few more seconds and hopefully it should be done. So yeah, I feel like this is a slightly more complex generation than the previous page. Those pages, those options I was looking for before have returned. Right, let's get page 3 ready. And go. So yeah, this page we're currently generating will be business details page. So yeah, I think it should include a step indicator. It should show step 2 of the business details, and then it should show you fields like legal business name, employer identification number, with a hint about it being in a 9-digit format. You should be able to select your business type and proprietorship. Again, this is significantly more complex than the start page that we generated, so I expect its generation to take a bit longer. So yeah, that looks all good. So now we'll just create our final page. Get that going. And this is going to be the review and confirmation page. So yeah, confirmation page for a submitted disaster loan application. It should give the user a success alert, say an application submitted with their reference number, and then it should have a table summarizing the submitted answers. So things like business name, EIN, disaster date, and employees, as well as the kind of information card that tells the user what they can expect to happen next after successfully submitting this application. Right, so we've got all 4 of our pages. I'm going to go back to the first one. There's a couple of things I can do here. So first thing I'm going to do is click on this link pages button here. This gives me a selector tool that I can use to select components that can become links, and I will link the start application button to page 2. That's all we need to do on this page for now. I'm just going to move on to page 2. So here we've got the form. And yeah, if you are deeply familiar with the web design system, the US web design system, please give me some feedback about how the components are rendering. Yeah, any detailed feedback will support me to refine this further. So what I want to do here is link through to page 3. That's done. And I'll go down to page 3. This is the business details page. So I need to link through to page 4. And that's it. And then I don't think I need to do anything on page 4. So yeah, that's it. Let's say we want to edit a section. I'm going to edit a section on the start page, and it will be, say I'm going to edit this bit, and I will say, and that should just update that blue box with the change I've made. Add most recent federal tax return. There you go. It's added it as the 4th bullet point. Yeah, and you'll notice in this edit section functionality, you can move the piece, the component you're working on up, the component that you've selected, you can move it down, you could duplicate it, you can delete it, and you could do what you just saw me demonstrate, which is refine it with AI. So yeah, that is all the main functionality apart from exporting. So if I click on this export button here, I can download a testable prototype. So exported, or it's exporting there. Click save. Okay, so here it is. If I open up index, you now see this window, which is my browser window. It's got the full prototype of the start page. If I click start application, it takes me through to the form page. If I click continue, it takes me through to the second form page, and continue. Great. Takes you through to the review page. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.